Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks.
May honor be with
will
you.
arrive in 5 seconds. All forces, move out!
Tamang farm lang ako sa play na to, dahil ramdam ko na malakas ang katapat ko na marksman.
Nice. Hey! You! Hey! Oh! Hey!
Medyo nahihirapan din talaga ako makalamang sa play na to, dahil nagro-rotate na rin yung mid lane nila. Pero patuloy lang ako sa goal ko. Subalit, parang napasobra ata ako, kaya nabigyan nila ako ng isa dito.
An excellent cannon requires the best father. You!
You have been slain.
Gayunpaman, nang dahil sa pangyayaring iyon, nag-activate ang beast mode ko.
You can do it! You on the head! Loving care of your elder has been fed into the barrel. Now, feel its warmth! Hey! Hey!
An enemy has been slain. An enemy has been slain. An enemy has been slain.
Kaya nakalamang kami sa play na to.
The strong do not need to explain themselves.
Nag-rotate na rin ako dito papuntang mid lane.
Hey! You! Oh!
An enemy has been slain. Your team has destroyed a turret.
You!
Killing spree.
At patuloy pa rin kami sa ginagawa namin sa kanila.
Paano masabi?
Double kill. Unbelievable. Killing spree.
Subalit, wala pa rin talaga silang balak magpatalo sa laro itong. Pilit pa rin silang lumalaban.
You!
You have slain an enemy. Unstoppable. Skill not ready. Double kill. Your team has destroyed a turret. An enemy has been slain. Triple kill.
Pero talagang sobrang lakas na namin. Hindi na nila kami kayang pigilan.
Your team has destroyed a turret. You have slain an enemy. Ace. It's now or never. Engage. Killing spree.
Just an insignificant skill.
Victory.
Strong remain strong.